guys, we're on worksheet number 7, video 7. Okay, number 1, it says you had $1 million, but then you spent $99, and then you spent $22,222. How much money do you have left? Okay, since they wrote million out in words, first we have to figure out that. So, let's see. Let's see if we're there yet. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, 1 million. All right, so we've got there. No, we've got that. $9.99. So we take away $999. Now this one we're going to have to do a lot of borrowing across. Okay, so we can't do this. So he's going to have to borrow from him. Who's going to have to borrow from him, and him, and him, and him, and finally him. Okay, so since we borrowed a multiple of 10, everybody's only going to get to be a 9 until we get all the way to the end. All right, so now 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then I have 9 and nothing, 9 and nothing, 9 and nothing. So after spending the $999, I have $999,001. But I spent $22,222 also. So I'll take what I had left after I spent the $999, and I'll subtract $22,222. Okay, we're kind of in the same situation. Can't do that. He'll let him, but he has to borrow over and borrow over. So we're going to be all the way over here before he has enough to actually loan. Okay, so he borrowed a multiple of 10, but he'd already promised him some, so he only gets to keep 9. Same for him. He borrowed a multiple of 10, but he'd already promised him some, so he gets to keep 9. And then he gets the 10, which will make him an 11. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 9 minus nothing is 9. So after I spent that money, I still have $976,779 left. I wish that was my problem. Wish I had $1 million to have to figure out how much I had left. All right, Emmy Noether, the mother of modern algebra, was born in 1882. In what year did she celebrate her 25th birthday? Well, if she was born in 1882, we're looking for what it was 25 years later, so we're adding 25 years. We have the year she was born, and then, is that right? No, that would give me 1900 something. That's not right, is it? Or is it? Let's read it very carefully. All right, we've got born in 1882. What year did she celebrate her 25th birthday? So yeah, we had it in the right order. 1882, plus the 25 years that passed. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 8 plus nothing is 8, plus the 1 we carried is 9, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So 25, she celebrated her 25th birthday in 1907. First I thought they were trying to trick us with something, but they really weren't. Okay, I'm ordering 3 books online. The first book costs $21.95. The second book costs $4.95, and the third book costs $5.95. Postage and handling cost $3.50 no matter how many books I order. Since I don't have to pay sales tax, how much will my total cost be? Well, we just need to add up all of her books plus the shipping and handling. And make sure that you notice it says no matter how many books she orders. So it's not per book, because they'll have that answer there for you also. Okay, the first book was $21.95, and we know if we're adding decimal numbers, we always line up the decimal. The second book was $4.95, and we're just going to take two numbers at a time. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry our 1. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus the 1 we carried is 19. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus the 1 we carried is 6, and 2 plus nothing is still 2. So that's for 2 of our books, but we had a third book. Okay, so what we just calculated, plus another $5.95. 0 plus 5 is 5. 9 plus 9 is 18, carry the 1. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus the 1 we carried is 12, carry the 1. 2 plus nothing is 2, plus the 1 that we carried is 3. So right now, I'm up to $32.85, but I still have to pay shipping. So I take the cost of my books, add the $3.50 for shipping. Make sure you can see all the way over, okay? Go ahead and bring that down. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 5 is 13, carry the 1. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus the 1 I carried is 6. And 3 plus nothing is still 3. So all together, my books and my shipping and handling charge is $36.35. Number 4, many families serve each person in the family 1 6-ounce glass of orange juice each morning. If they buy orange juice by the gallon, how many whole servings of juice will they get out of that 1 gallon of juice? And it says, remember that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, and 1 quart is equal to 32 ounces. So the first thing I need to do, I just need to figure out how many ounces are in that gallon. Okay, so it tells me there's 4 quarts, and each one of those quarts is 32. So let's do that. So we'll do 32 ounces, and I have 4 quarts, so I would have 32 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. So I have a total of 128 ounces, and I'm splitting that up into 6-ounce glasses of orange juice for each person. Okay, so I would take the total number of ounces that I have, divide it by 6. 6 won't go into 1, so I placeholder 0. 6 will go into 12, and it'll go 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. We subtract, bring down our next number. 6 goes into 8 1 time. 1 times 6 is 6. We subtract, and we get 2. So we have a remainder of 2. So, now this is where it's tricky on the test. They asked you how many whole servings of juice will they get. So we're not concerned about our remainder. We would get 21 whole servings. So after serving everyone in the family, they would have just a little bit left over. Number 5, you have $12 in nickels and quarters. If you have the same number of each kind of coin, how many nickels do you have? Okay, so this one's just kind of a guessing check. You're just going to have to think of how many nickels, check it, multiply. So to save time, let's go ahead. We're going to go through and we're going to say, we know that 20 quarters is equal to $5. Okay, that's just something that we know. Because 20 divided by 4, because there's 4 quarters in $1, 20 divided by 4 would be $5. And if we had 20 nickels, if we think about 20 nickels, 20 nickels would just give us $1, wouldn't it? Because nickels are 5 cents, 20 times 5 is 100, and we're dealing with money, so it would be $1. So this would give us $6. Well, it said if we had $20. So what if I just double each one of these? If I double each one of these, then I'll have $12, won't I? So I would end up, I would have 40 quarters and 40 nickels. And that would give us our $12. All right. Peace, guys.